Are you tired of dealing with unreliable batteries that leave you stranded when you need them the most? Well, fear not. In this video, we have compiled a list of the top 5 batteries that will revolutionize your power needs. From starting batteries to deep cycle options, we've got you covered. But here's the twist: we'll also reveal some unexpected pros and cons of each product that you won't find anywhere else. Get ready to discover the hidden secrets behind these powerhouses as we dive deep into their features, durability, and performance. I mention all product links in the description box. Let's dive right into the top 5 lists. Number 1. Optima Red Top Starting Battery. This battery is a top-of-the-line battery designed to deliver exceptional starting power for your vehicle. With its unique spiral cell design, this battery provides a strong and clean power source, ensuring a consistent start every time, even in harsh weather conditions. One of the standout features of Optima batteries is its durability. It is built to withstand the most demanding conditions, thanks to its robust construction that is resistant to vibrations. This makes it an excellent choice for off-road vehicles and other rugged applications where durability is crucial. Another advantage of this battery is its maintenance-free operation. You won't have to worry about adding water or checking electrolyte levels regularly. What we like about it: exceptional starting power, robust construction for resistance to vibrations, maintenance-free operation. What we don't like about it: slightly higher price compared to other options. Number 2. Mighty Max Battery ML3512. This is a versatile and dependable deep cycle battery that is perfect for a wide range of applications. With its 12-volt 35 Ah capacity, it provides reliable and long-lasting performance, making it an excellent choice for solar energy storage, electric vehicles, marine equipment, and more. Durability is a key feature of the Mighty Max Battery ML3512. It is constructed using high-quality materials and features a heavy-duty calcium alloy grid for excellent resistance to shocks and vibrations. This ensures that the battery can withstand the rigors of various applications and provide reliable power. Another advantage of this battery is its maintenance-free operation. The sealed design eliminates the need for regular maintenance, and it is also spill-proof, making it safe to use in different positions. What we like about it: versatile deep cycle battery, excellent durability and resistance to shocks and vibrations, maintenance-free operation. What we don't like about it: may not have the same starting power as dedicated starting batteries. Number 3. A Delco 48 AGM Professional Automotive Battery. This professional automotive battery is a reliable and high-performance battery designed to meet the demands of modern vehicles. With its AM technology, it offers exceptional power, durability, and reliability. The advanced design ensures a highly efficient power supply and excellent vibration resistance, which is crucial for vehicles that encounter rough terrain or bumpy roads. What we like about it: high-performance AM technology, resistant to vibration and extreme temperatures. What we don't like about it: may not be suitable for deep cycle applications. Number 4. Ridotto Protection Replacement Battery. This is a versatile replacement battery designed for various applications, providing reliable power when you need it most. Whether you're looking for a replacement car battery or a portable power source for your devices, this battery offers convenience and dependability. One of the key advantages of the Ridotto Protection battery is its wide compatibility. It can be used as a replacement battery for various car models and also works well with power banks, ensuring you have a reliable backup power source on the go. It offers a high capacity ranging from 4,000 mAh to 15,000 mAh, providing extended use before needing to recharge. What we like about it: versatile and compatible with various applications, high capacity for extended use, multiple built-in safety protections. What we don't like about it: may have limited compatibility with specific devices. Number 5. Expert Power Rechargeable LED Battery. This battery is a reliable and affordable option for various applications that require a dependable power source. With its 12-volt 7 Ah capacity, it provides a stable and long-lasting power supply. One of the advantages of the Expert Power is its affordability. It offers excellent value for the price, making it an attractive option for those on a budget. Despite its affordability, it doesn't compromise on performance or reliability. What we like about it: an affordable and reliable option, leak-proof and maintenance-free design, resistant to vibration for stable performance. What we don't like about it: lower capacity compared to other options. Thank you for watching my video. If you found it helpful, be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you never miss any of my daily videos. If you're looking for more information or want to know the price of a particular product, check out the description box below. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Remember, life is short, so why not make it easier with cool products?